Hey, what's up, guys? Donnie, Nodak Outdoorsman. I'm set up on Audubon, south side. It's about 4:30 in the morning. I'm set up in about 34 foot of water, and I am sitting next to some pretty deep holes. So it seems like it's going to pan out pretty good. I'm getting marks already. I'll keep you guys posted. Unexpected monster smallmouth. I'll take that. Take that all day. Damn right. 15 walleye, 15 inch. I'll take it. Yep. And another one. Maybe. See what it is. It's big. Whatever it is big. Another smallmouth. Big old smallmouth. How's that? Monster smallmouth. All day, during the day, is better than dink perch. I'll tell you that. And then tonight, what's going to roll through is going to be special attitude. We shall see, ladies and gentlemen. We shall see. Got that fucker. Oh, another monster. Jesus. Another smallie. The school of about 300 of them down there. Big smallmouth. These guys ain't no babies. That's probably number 12 that went back to Davy Jones' locker. They're hitting heavy during the day. I don't know what's going on. And another one. Shoot a little bigger too. I'm getting wore out on big smallmouth. I can't wait for this night bite to come in with a walleye here. Yeah, he's not massive, but he fought pretty good. But another smallmouth. No shortage of those guys in this lake, right? Caught up the line. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Keeping me busy until nighttime. So anyway, y'all, I just got done on Audubon. I cleaned house on smallmouth bass. I kept my limit of 3, but I was catch and release about 25 to 30 throughout the day. Midday bite. They were all 4 to 5 pounds roughly. A couple of them that I kept were 21 inchers. Good size fish. I had a great time today. Also caught 3 walleye. My phone died and I wasn't able to get video of a lot of the fish that I caught, but you guys can see in the video that I just showed you that it was on like Donkey Kong. I mean, I couldn't keep up with 2 poles on massive smallmouth bass. So probably the best bass fishing I've ever had in my life. Good times, no complaints. My new favorite lake is Audubon. Big lake, big fish, good ice. Where I fish anyways, I don't know about the rest of the lake, but where I'm at, it's about 19 to 20 inches. Had a great time. Anyway, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Donnie, Nodak Outdoorsman, you guys have a great rest of your day.